Barbaris vulgaris, Allen's keynotes, Barbary, family Barbaridaceae. The renal or vesical symptoms are predominant. Pain in small of lac, very sensitive to touch in renal region. Aggravation when sitting and lying, from jar, from fatigue. Burning and soreness in region of kidneys. Numbness, stiffness, lameness with painful pressure in renal and lumbar regions. Pale earthy complexion with sunken cheeks and hollow, blue encircled eyes. Rheumatic and gouty complaints with diseases of the urinary organs. Colic from gallstones, bilious colic followed by jaundice, clay-colored stools, fistula in ano with bilious symptoms and itching of the parts, short cough and chest complaints, especially after operations for fistulae. Stitching cutting pain from left kidney following course of ureter into bladder and urethra. Renal colic left side. Bubbling sensation in kidneys, urine greenish, blood red with thick slimy mucus, transparent reddish or jelly-like sediment. Movement brings on or increases urine complaints. Relations similar to Cantharis, Lycopodium, Sarsaparilla in renal colic. Acts well after arnica, bryonia, kalibai, rustock, sulfur in rheumatic affections. Aggravation, motion, walking or carriage riding in sudden jarring movement. Barbaris vulgaris, boric materia medica, Barbary. Rapid change of symptoms, pains change in regard to place and character. Thirst alternates with thirstlessness, hunger and loss of appetite. Acts forcibly on the venous system, producing pelvic engorgements and hemorrhoids. Hepatic and rheumatic affections, particularly with urinary, hemorrhoidal and menstrual complaints. Old gouty constitutions. Pain in region of kidneys is most marked, hence its use in renal and vesical troubles, gallstones and vesical catarrh. It causes inflammation of kidneys with hematuria. Pains may be felt all over body, emanating from small of back. It has also marked action on the liver, promoting the flow of bile, often called for it in arthritic affections with urinary disturbances. Wandering, radiating pains. Acts well in fleshy persons, good livers but with little endurance. Spinal irritation. All Barbaris pains radiate are not worse by pressure but worse in various attitudes, especially standing and active exercise. Head. Listless, apathetic, indifferent. Puffy sensation, feeling as if becoming larger. Vertigo with attacks of fainting. Frontal headache, chilliness in back and occiput. Tearing pain in auricle and gouty concretions. Sensation of a tight cap pressing upon the whole scalp. Nose dry, obstinate catarrh of left nostril, crawling in nostrils. Face pale, sickly, sunken cheeks and eyes with bluish circle. Mouth sticky sensation, diminished saliva, sticky frothy saliva like cotton. Tongue feels scalded, vesicles on tongue. Stomach, nausea before breakfast, heartburn. Abdomen, stitches in region of gallbladder, worse pressure extending to stomach, catarrh of the gallbladder with constipation and yellow complexion. Stitching pain in front of kidneys extending to liver, spleen, stomach, groins, Poppert's ligament, sticking deep in ileum. Stool, constant urging to stool, diarrhea painless, clay-colored, burning and smarting in anus and perineum, tearing around anus, fistula in anum. Urine, burning pains, sensation as if some urine remained after urinating, urine with thick mucus and bright red mealy sediment, bubbling, sore sensation in kidneys, pain in bladder region, pain in the thighs and loins on urinating. Frequent urination, urethra burns when not urinating. Male, neuralgia of spermatic cord and testicles. Smarting, burning, stitching in testicles, in prepuce and scrotum. Female, pinching constriction in mons veneris, vaginismus, contraction and tenderness of vagina. Burning and soreness in vagina, desire diminished, cutting pain during coition, menses scanty, grey mucus with pain in kidneys and chilliness, pain down thighs. Leukorrhea, greyish mucus with painful urinary symptoms. Neuralgia of ovaries and vagina. Respiratory, hoarseness, polypus of larynx, tearing stitches in chest and region of heart. Back, stitches in neck and back, worse respiration. Sticking pain in region of kidneys, radiating thence around abdomen to hips and groins. Numb, bruised sensation. Stitches from kidneys into bladder. Tearing, sticking with stiffness, making rising difficult, involving hips, knees, limbs with numbness. Lumbago. Metatarsus and metacarpus feel sprained. Post-operative pain in lumbar region, soreness with sharp pain, following course of circumflex iliac nerve to bladder with frequent urination. Extremities, rheumatic paralytic pain in shoulders, arms, hands and fingers, legs and feet. Neuralgia under fingernails with swelling of finger joints. Sensation of cold on outside of thighs. Feels pain as if ulcerated. Stitching between metatarsal bones as from a nail when standing. Pain in balls of feet on stepping. Intense weariness and lameness of legs after walking a short distance. Skin, flat warts, itching, burning and smarting. Worse scratching, better cold applications. Small pustules over whole body, eczema of anus and hands, circumscribed pigmentation following eczematous inflammation. Fever, cold sensation in various parts as if spattered with cold water, warmth in lower part of back, hips and thighs. Modalities, worse motion standing, it brings on or increases urinary complaints. Relationships, it antidotes camphor and belladonna. Dose, tincture to 6th potency.